back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the 512GB model, silver. So this phone comes with a 6.7-inch display with its Super Retina XDR display, triple 12-megapixel cameras, 6GB of RAM, an Apple A14 Bionic chip, and a 3687 mAh battery. The phone has technically been unboxed but has not been set up, although I can recreate the unboxing experience for you guys so you know what to expect from a boxed phone. So let's go ahead and check out the box. Pretty thin, right? Well, that's because we don't have the charging brick anymore. As you can see, it says iPhone 12 Pro Max, silver, 512GB. Great. So let's go ahead, lift up, and here we are greeted by the phone. Absolutely gorgeous. As we can see, Apple has gone with a paper-like sticker this time instead of the clear plastic ones. This way they think it's more safer for the environment. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out what we get in the box. We get a SIM eject tool, Apple stickers, instruction manual. We'll just put this aside and we'll put the phone aside. So let's go ahead, take off the plastic. This you gotta hear. Satisfying. So I'm gonna go ahead, start the phone, set it up, and I'll see you in a jiffy. The phone, guys. So let's go ahead and have a quick look at the phone. Gorgeous. We can see the stainless steel sides attracting those fingerprints. Overall, the matte back is really gorgeous. It looks quite white. Brilliant. And just for a size comparison, let me bring inside the Note 20 Ultra. And as we can see, the Note 20 Ultra is actually quite bigger than the 12 Pro Max. Even though I've heard a lot of people saying that the 12 Pro Max is overly big, but to me, I feel like it's a normal sized phone. Although the 12 Pro Max is definitely heavier than the Note 20 Ultra. And that's basically it, guys. So the iPhone model that I have unboxed is the international variant. And I'll be making a video soon about the international variant versus the US variant, because there are a couple of minor differences in between both. So hopefully subscribe and I'll post the video soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.